Hey, my name is Dane Swan. My book is Bending the Continuum with Guernica Editions, and you're watching BlackCoffeePoet.com. Parkdale Snowstorm. The two of us, caught in a snowstorm. Dusty, dingy Parkdale bar. A couple, a barmaid, a TV from the last century, watching empty streetcars, and a toothless passerby. Soup cans in one hand, a box of crackers the other. The light from the vacuum tube warms us as the barmaid peers at the residue of dollar store coffee mugs. My lives mimic Shakespeare agonists, Othello, Lear, Macbeth. Yours was singular, each lifetime a chapter in the same novel. Fascinated, the aging maid re-examines your hand. The age lines read, "You'll live forever." Thank you, and you're watching BlackCoffeePoet.com. Take care.